Krishna.
Hi everyone, good morning. Am I audible? Suraj, Sai, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I'll keep this demo really short. Within 15 minutes, I'll try to explain everything. And mostly, if you have any query, you can ask me. That is the main goal. The demo actually that I have taken in the last weekend, I think you can get it in YouTube, or if you reach out to Durga Saf, they will share you the demo link in the email. The last Saturday demo, this last Sunday demo was the proper demo where I had taken almost 1 hour time to explain everything, the content, the syllabus, who will take the course, why you should take the course. This course will take you from where to where, right? And after taking this course, where you will, what is the next thing that you can apply for? All of these things we discussed very detailed way. So I'll request everyone to see through that video. Today I will quickly introduce myself, take you through the content, and if you have any specific query, I'll be answering. So this is Sasmitha. I'll be a course instructor. I am currently working as a staff data scientist in Fortune 500 companies. Prior to this, I was working with other investment banks and other different kind of service-based to product-based companies I had worked. I also completed my master's in computer science. It's a full-time 2 years degree program from Triple IT, and my major was machine learning and Apache Spark. So yeah, so this is my experience. And coming to training, I am into this for last couple of years, mostly last 4 years. I am into this. Almost 30-40 batches I have trained. And I do provide 3 courses. This is one of the first course. The very beginning course is data analyst course. The second level course is machine learning course, and the third level course is deep learning and NLP course. So this entire journey is from level 0 to become a data scientist over the time, right? So the data analyst course, who can take this course? First, let us discuss that. Anybody can take this course, level 0, right? No requirement, no previous requirement. Just you want to come into data world, you can enroll for data analyst course. So this course is very similar. You can apply for roles like business analyst, business intelligence engineer, data analyst, right? So such kind of roles you can apply for. So basically why you should take this course, right? So now you know how demanded this data things are, right? It has tremendous demand in market. And basically the problem now is everybody is the companies are searching for a full-time kind of degree candidates, right, who had completed their masters from very good colleges, tier 1 colleges. For others, as a fresher, joining data science team or data engineering team is a dream. It's impossible, mostly impossible. Sometimes there are some exceptions, but in general they don't take, right, freshers. Until unless you are completed your masters or from triple IT or IIT or NIT kind of colleges, they don't take freshers as a data scientist. So what is the way how you can enter into data world? So this is the smooth way. So you first work as a data analyst for few years, and maybe after 1 or 2 years you will understand what your data science team is doing, because very closely you'll be working with them. You'll be understanding half of the content of data science syllabus, and then you will also understand the business in a better way, and then slowly you can move into data science. So that's the correct way. Don't want to move to data science, you want to stay in business analyst, you can do. So even in business analyst, data analyst, business intelligence engineer, all of these roles you can apply for. So what we're going to cover in this course, basically this course is Python starting from level 0, Pandas, Plotly, MongoDB, Tableau, and Apache Spark. These are the major content. I know few of you already know Python. You have the flexibility to skip Python, module 1 and module 2, and directly join from Plotly, right, from visualization. So as a data analyst, your also task is to visualize your data in a nice way, right? So if you know Python, you can skip module 1, module 2, and from module 3 onwards, you can join. The course fees is also less if you're joining from module 3 onwards. But if you don't know Python, you can join from scratch. Initially, we'll be discussing all of this basic Python. I don't want to go through the syllabus. You can go through after the class. But whatever we are covering is in detail. Pandas is a package for data analysis. We'll see in detail. And then Plotly. What is Plotly? Plotly is a Python visualization library, completely free of cost. You can create nice dashboards, interactive dashboards using Plotly. So that is why we will learn about Plotly. And also the first project that we'll do is we'll create a COVID-19 dashboard using Plotly, completely free open source tool. Now we will learn about time series, and then we will learn about Tableau. If the data has time column or date column, how to handle, what is resampling, how to shift your time, what to do with the rolling and expanding, right? Trending, seasonality, what is time series decomposition, all of this understanding we will be having after module 4 is completed. And then Tableau will be there. So Tableau is a kind of visualization BI tool, from scratch installation to all other things we'll discuss. Second project we'll do is on Tableau. That's a time series project. So module 4 and module 5 you will revise in project 2, forecasting the airline traffic, right? After that we'll be discussing about MongoDB. So what is MongoDB? MongoDB is a NoSQL database. We'll be discussing about NoSQL database. Finally, lastly, we'll be discussing about Spark, the big data tool, right? Distributed computing platform. So we'll be understanding Spark in a better way. Followed by last, this is not a machine learning course. If you really want to join machine learning, December 1st, right? After 10 days, we are starting a new batch, Python with machine learning. So from module 5 onwards, we'll be learning statistics and machine learning there. So that is one, and new batch is also starting for deep learning and NLP, morning 8:30 to 9:30. Completely fresh batch. Immediately you can join from Monday onwards. So in the advance, we're going to learn deep learning and NLP. In the first part, we are going to learn machine learning. So that is a data science track. This is data analyst track. So after you complete this module, you can understand Tableau, Spark, you can understand time series, Plotly, Python, MongoDB, so many tools. And all of this content are required no matter whether you are applying for a data engineer or a data scientist position in later if you want to. So are you getting? So all of these courses, none of the subject is repeated. Every course you will learn some new subject. Okay. So this is a short kind of summary. As I said, I will take just 15 minutes today because last weekend we spent around 1 hour to explain everything. I'll request everyone to go through the last recording last weekend. It is very detailed. You'll get it from DurgaSoft. If you call them, they will give you. Otherwise, it is already available in YouTube. You search data analyst DurgaSoft, you'll get it. Okay. Any doubt? Any queries you have, I will answer. So the timing and batch, let me tell you that. Sorry to interrupt. Just 1 minute. Give me one. So the timing of the batch is 7 to 8 a.m. IST morning time. Every day class will be there, Monday to Saturday, 1 month course. Yeah, you go ahead. Yeah, Gafur, you're asking something.
Yeah, ma'am, I have the knowledge about the Spark and the Python.
Mm-hmm.
And
Oh,
Tableau
you have.
also I have the knowledge.
Oh, okay.
So can I
Yeah.
take this course for data science?
Yeah, you directly take the data science course. If you know Tableau, if you know Python and Spark, better you learn machine learning. So which is starting from December first week onwards after 10 days. Evening. So currently we are running one batch 8:30 p.m. That is going to over in 10 days. Once that is completed, December 1st onwards, we are starting a fresh batch. For part 1, there is no fresh batch. What you can do is you can take the part 2, and there is no link between part 1 and part 2. Entirely different syllabus. Part 1 is Python, and then Python and then machine learning, but you are saying you already know Python. So better you take part
Yeah.
2, where you will, the requirement for part 2 is Python, that you already know. You will learn NLP and deep learning. So part 2, definitely you need an instructor. So NLP and deep learning, that is a fresh, completely fresh batch. Morning 8:30. Tomorrow you can join.
Okay.
Okay. Any other queries? All others are good. Sai, Suraj?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you're asking who can take this course, people who are interested in data analyst, and if you're a completely different background, right? So there is one more thing I just want to add. So with the data analyst course, you can take only machine learning course from part 1. So you can skip the Python and the course fees will be less. So this course fees, the part 1 data science course fees, data science with machine learning is 16K. But if you are taking only because you have learned till Plotly here, right? And time series also you have learned here. So if you're taking only data science part 1 course with machine learning and you're skipping all of the other parts which you have already learned here, the courses will be less. Okay, some reduction will be there. You can reach out to Durga Soft. So that also you can do. You take data analyst and with this you learn machine learning. So you can apply for both data analyst, business intelligence engineer plus fresher level data science position, not advanced, because for that you need to understand part 2, that is NLP and deep learning. Right? So at least fresher level positions you can apply for. Is it clear for all? Okay. So I think if we are good, we are all good. We can end the session. And if you are willing to join, maybe you can join tomorrow 7 a.m. And we are continuing this core Python now. We are in core Python. And people who are interested for advanced, they can join 8:30 tomorrow, 8:30 morning, 8:30 a.m. The duration of advance is 1.5 months. Okay. Okay. Thank you all.